I just put my fan, right there. There's a pocket inside, and you can hide all the stuff, that you want. You can put your fan in, and then you put it, right in. Then the whole thing disappear, right here. And you can also put your hand, there. Then you can have a handful of, thing and keep warm, So when you're honeymooning, you can even put somebody inside there, Lots of room, right here. We call them the Chinese sleeping bag. Okay, now I want to describe what we have. We have a pineapple here, and then some colorful vegetable plus a piece of cow. A piece of cow so that we can cook this thing up. And then the other one is called the Honeymoon Chow Mein. I'm using the white noodle, the white color, normally is used, in the Western wedding. And then we'll cook it up with some of the red sauce that's used in the Chinese wedding. We all everything in red, which is a sign of richness, prosperity, and also energy, So everybody have very good energy during their honeymoon. That's very important. Because honeymoon, you need two kinds of persons. So I have two kinds of meat for you. One is the chicken representing the bride, and the cow representing the groom. All this for you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now, then let's take this thing off and then find out what we have. And then I put on our, maybe I don't have anything there. Oh, yeah, you better watch out. Be very careful. And then before I put on the apron, that's right. Okay, now just take it off, just like that. Oh, now it's all nice and cool. Disappointed? Oh, boy. Anyway, okay, then we'll put our cook, right here. Put it right there, stay. And then put on my apron. Okay, there you are. Oh, wow. That's right. You have to run slowly so that it will be safe for you, okay? And then walk fast so that you can get it over with. That's the whole idea. Now, pineapple is very appetizing, and we use it all the time in Chinese cooking, okay? Now, you get a pineapple, right there, and then you just chop, get the top off. That was a quick. That's why I walk fast. Thank you. Now, then you get hollow all the pineapple, then you get all of them, right here. Now, this is used actually for decoration, okay? I just take it out, and, put it there. Later on, we'll cook up, a good dish, right there. Okay, now pineapple, we need some of the tidbits of pineapple, or you can hollow those pineapple and then cut it up into small little squares or cubes. Then you should have some of the red pepper, because without that, it won't be too colorful. All right, get some of green pepper as well, just like this. Green pepper and red pepper. And then the next thing you have to do is get the cow, your cow, brown cow, cut it into slices, just like that. Okay, now, okay. Cut it across the grain of the meat so that it won't be tough. Now, just like that. Okay. Now, this is roughly about 8 ounces of meat. That's what I use. Okay, then you put it there, and you're ready. And you're ready, and then you get a little bit of garlic. Always use garlic when you cook your beef, because it helps, take away the beefy smell. And it also adds some flavor to your beef. They call them beef it up. Right there. Okay. Then you just marinate your beef first using Chinese tenderizer, cooking wine. And then some of the pepper. Okay? Now, always use a little bit of pepper. Oh, yeah. This is very appetizing. Okay, now you do it like this. And then you use a little bit of tapioca starch, like that. 1 teaspoonful. And then some light soy sauce, light color soy sauce. 1 tablespoonful. That's it. Then we are almost ready. Now just mix this thing up. Okay. The whole thing can be done very quickly. All right. Now you put this aside, and then what happens? You get a little bowl and get more starch, of course. 1 tablespoonful of this starch to some water. Quarter the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quarter. And then use some of the oyster flavor sauce. 1 tablespoonful. That's it. Now mix it up and use a few drops of sesame seed oil. Okay? Now lots of fun and lots of interesting things, happening. When it's hot, 1 and 2 tablespoonfuls of this peanut oil. And put this garlic in. Okay? Now garlic, right there. Then you put your beef in. Oh, smells terrific. Right there. Okay. Now just mix them up with your tiny spatula. Now you look at a tiny spatula here, it's curved on the plate. Curved, right here. Because the wok is round, so you need a curved plate so that you can go down to the wok and then can turn your food very effectively. Just like that. Okay. Then all you have to do now is put all the pineapple and all the pepper, the bell pepper, right there. Just like this. Keep on stirring until you are ready, until all the meat, change color completely. All right, you sprinkle a little bit salt, little bit. Okay, that's all I have. And then you can put all those sauce, the tapioca starch sauce, right in, and then bring it to a boil. Then the whole thing will be ready. Okay, now there you are. Just like this. Oh, mix them up. Now in the meantime, you can decorate this, with whatever you have. Now I have all kinds of little thing here. I have this romaine lettuce. Put the romaine lettuce there. So that it looks good. Looks green, all this thing. Nice fresh color. And then you can also put other things. For example, put some of the carrot flour. See, this is the flour that I made. Let me see. I just use a little toothpick here. And then I can put some flour, right there. Oh, isn't that cute now? There you are. You just put some more. That's the way to do it. Ha 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 ha. That's the way to do it. Ha ha ha. Then you can put a fish if you want. This is the fish. Oh, I just love that. Just decorate the whole thing so the whole pineapple looks more like it. Aha, aha. Now then you will pick up all those pineapple, put them right into this hollow, pineapple, and then you will get along with another dish in a minute. So don't walk away. Let's cook up our noodle. Otherwise, we don't have any honeymoon. We use 2 woks to wok faster. All right? Now, first of all, we are going to cook up our chicken, right here, using a little bit Chinese peanut oil here. Oh, I got oil, 1 in each hand. So 1 here, and then 1 there. Okay? Now, 2 woks going. 1 wok. You're going to cook this noodle. Put them right in. Rice noodle. The other wok. You put some of this onion. Right there. Okay. And then you put your chicken in. All right. Put your chicken. And keep on turning. Okay, now there you are. Just keep going. We are having a lot of fun. And then this noodle is almost ready. Okay, it looks like a mess, but we are going to make it very well. Now, okay, you just turn your noodle, and then turn your chicken, right here. Oh, this chicken is you're enjoying. And then you get your noodle, look busy. Then you dump the noodle right into the plate, because when you are on honeymoon, you are very hurried. Then you wash your wok. You get another wok, of course. Wok the heck. Now you get it there. And then you get all these things, captain, all ready. And then you walk back to your chicken. You heat up your wok. Put some more oil right here. Oh, 1 and 2. Whew. Then you walk your chicken again. Then what do? You get some Chinese cooking wine. That's it. When in doubt, use Chinese cooking wine. Then over there, you put some onion here. And then get your beef. Then you stir this. And then you stir that. Oh, then you make your starch solution. Oh, that's it. Then you walk your chicken again. Then you walk your beef. Get your starch solution. Huh. Then you make a solution out of this. Walk your chicken. Okay. Get more water. My goodness. I'm all walked up. Now, then you get all the starch solution. Some water right in. Okay. Then you go your beef. Then you get also some water, right here. I think. That's what he said, isn't it? Oh, I'm all worked up. Now you put the white sauce, right in here. Okay. Then you put a little bit tomato paste into your beef. Put some green peas, right there. And then cut a few slices of this, what we call a tomato, isn't it? Now put it in here. Now then you get another spatula. Wow, this is a lot of work. Then you go like this. You put the white sauce over this side with the white chicken. Here, there's one side. Okay, now that's it. I made it. And then you walk over to the other wall. And then get your beef with tomato. That becomes 2 different colors. The honeymoon fried noodle chow mein, all for you. Thank you very much. Now, there you are. We have this beef with pineapple. All this was done in the first segment of my cooking. And walk over there, that was quite a walk. Then you get this special honeymoon chow mein, specially for you. How are you, Jim? Good. Did you enjoy? That was quite a rush, isn't it?
Yes, it was.
Remember when you had your honeymoon, did you rush like that?
No.
How many moons ago was your honeymoon?
25.
25 moons. Wow, that's a lot of moons. All right, let's read the fortune cookie first, okay? Now let's find out what happened. It says, Yok chok patat means haste makes waste. If you haste, hurry, then you might waste something. In other words, you don't rush for anything, even for the honeymoon. Otherwise, you might not make it. Just like my honeymoon chow mein, I was really walking along, quite well. Eh? Does it mean anything to you?
No.
No, it doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything to me either. How many children you have?
I have
6.
6 children.
6 children, and then?
4 grandchildren.
4 grandchildren. Wow, that's a big population you have.
No, not quite.
You should move over to China.
Oh, they've got more than I have.
Oh, you bet. We have quarter of the world's population. That's a lot. Shall we start eating?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try your chopsticks?
Oh, I don't know how to use them.
Oh, you don't? Use your silver spoon. Silver spoon? You want me to help you?
Please.
Okay, I get some of this. Now, there you are. This is the pineapple beef, right here. Okay? And a special delivery. just for you. Now you can put it into your spoon and then try it out and then see what happens. Go ahead, Jean. Go ahead. Don't worry. Put the whole thing in. Not the spoon though. Okay, make sure. How's that?
Delicious.
Tasty? Mm-hmm. Good. Now, how about this carrot? I put one of these, then you can take it home and for use hot pepper, in this show. Not that often, anyway.
Yeah,
Once in a while I do, when I have some guests that, they like it hot, I will cook it up hot. Okay? Now, why don't you carry on and enjoy this? Okay, Jean?
Thank
Don't
you.
be shy. Okay? We'll get to know each other, better as we go along. And folks at home, you don't be shy too. You keep on watching this so that we can do more dishes for you so that you can have more fun. See you next time. Join again. For today's fantastic recipe, please send a self-addressed stamped envelope to this address.